Welcome back to Bountiful Gardens. My name's Ike, and today I'm back in the Ewing location where we're celebrating the peak of our rose season. We had a full weekend of rain, and now that it's sunny, these shrubs are bursting with blooms. All summer long, we carry a robust collection of knockouts, proven winners, TrueBlooms, and of course, our signature collection of David Austin roses. But we're not the only ones that enjoy these gorgeous blooms. Here in New Jersey, we do have a lot of deer, and sometimes they like to nibble at these precious petals. But what if I told you that you could build a showy forcefield around them that'll help protect from any stray grazing? Let's check out some fragrant perennials that are in peak bloom right now that'll help protect your precious shrubs. One of the first perennials that I think of when I think of creating a deer barrier is going to be Catmint. These are incredibly hardy perennials that have a light fragrance to them. And if you plant them in groups around your rose bushes, it'll tell the deer to stay away. For much the same fragrant reason, Agastache or hummingbird mint is going to be a great option for deterring deer, because even just sitting here right now, all I can smell is sweet mint. These are also really gorgeous flowers that are edible to us, so you can actually pop them in your food for sort of a sweet minty stevia flavor. Another plant commonly prized by gardeners as an aromatic shield is going to be Meadow Sage or Salvia. Like the name suggests, these are related to true sage, so they have that sweet aroma that's going to keep things like rabbits and deer away from your more precious plants. Some plants rely more on sheer toughness rather than fragrance to deter deer, and one of those plants is going to be Campanula or Bellflower. These really showy blooms work really well when planted all together and work kind of as a ground cover. Some deer-resistant perennials are tough as a broom, like Scotch Broom. I actually grew up with this plant because I had a lot of deer in my area. They come in so many colors, like reds, fiery oranges, and yellows, and even some whites as well. If you want a species that grows taller when planted up against maybe a taller shrub or a climbing rose, you can look at Foxglove or digitalis. These work really well in full sun areas, and they come in all different colors. They can handle drought pretty well, and their blooms last from late spring into early summer. For a sweetly scented shrub that works in perfect harmony with your roses, you can take a look at mock oranges. These have delicate clusters of white flowers that have almost like a citrusy jasmine kind of fragrance to them. Once established, they're fairly deer resistant and provide a nice contrast to the reds and pinks of rose bushes. For a shrub that has the benefit of being both tough as nails and lightly fragranced, you can take a look at Sweetspire or Itea. This is the Little Henry variety, a compact shrub that's going to work really well when planted amongst your roses, because it'll help deter deer, and in the fall, it turns a beautiful red color. Here in New Jersey, it can be pretty tough to keep deer from eating what they want to eat, but by planting strong garden beds of perennials that they definitely don't want to touch, you have a better chance of protecting your more delicate shrubs like your David Austins. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like it down below and leave a comment if you had any questions about any of the perennials I showed or suggestions for videos in the future. And of course, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos just like this. Thanks, and happy planting.